The new LEGO Ultra Agents are on a mission to stop the crazy supervillain Cyclone. Agents, get ready. Now you can join the agents and move into action. Set up your headquarters, load the missiles, and ready the prison.
There he is.
Use your gadgets to target the enemy.
We've got him.
And launch the attack. Bring down the bad guy and lock him up.
Mission accomplished.
New LEGO Ultra Agents. Each set sold separately.